All right. Well, she's back. I got her back on the out there fishing. So hey, she troopered through it. So it was a great day. Uh, Thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. I have a brand new camera. I had a microphone. I don't know if the microphone was working all the time or not, but watch this video, caught some fish, and I really want your feedback on whether or not you like this camera better than the old one, whether the sound was better. It's supposed to cut down the noise of the wind and everything. So if you could give me your feedback, greatly appreciate it, and we'll talk about the fishing after you watch it.
Fish is done. What we got here? I really hope he's still there. He ain't fighting. He's still there. What's he doing? Did he get off? Did he get off? Nope, he didn't get off. Whiting. Got us a whiting. Got us a whiting. Let's see what we got. We got us a whiting. Well, stop. Whiting. We got the cast. Here she goes. She's got a cast. Let's see. Here she goes. She's gonna sling it. Don't fall. You want me to cast it? Do you want me to cast it? You. It ain't but about 5 feet. There we go. If you reel it in, I'll cast it back out there. You, mess around and have a bruise on my face and that. You watch what I tell you. I'm just glad you hooked that instead of me. Lord have mercy. Not making fun of you. Oh, never. Never. Oh, where are you at? You sat down. Oh, it's going. Get it, baby. Get it. Oh. I think she got it. I think you got it, baby. There you go. Get it. Get it. There we go. Oh, would you got a little blue.
What'd you say?
I think it's a little blue. It is. You got you a little blue.
You want me to take it off?
You can.
I mean, I'm just gonna.
Here.
Don't let it flop on me right now.
There you go.
My catching gloves.
Your catching gloves now. Show the camera.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
There you go.
Uh-oh. Government working again?
Yeah,
Trails.
yeah, chemtrails. Yep,
Why was that not on camera?
it is on camera.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh, baby, you just got hammered. Yo, get it. Oh, there you go. Reel it in, baby. You got it. There you go. Get it. Oh, look at that bend. What you got, baby? A what? Oh, a blue. She got a bigger blue this time. Look at that. There you go. Get it, baby.
I'm here.
You got it?
Yeah.
We can keep that one if you want. That's up to you. He ain't the biggest in the world, but he's a whole lot bigger than the one you just caught. She is the blue whisperer. She hooked herself.
I can't be perfect all the time.
Nah, just today would be nice.
Hey, I'm outfished you so far.
You have, look. So what?
What do you
That's up to you.
wanna
I don't care. You cooking fish tonight anyway, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, I can
We're
gill
having
him.
drum and snapper, so.
I can gill him.
No, let's let him go.
Okay, you say it. Say it.
Rent a tent. Rent a tent.
No,
Ben.
I'm not renting no tent.
You wouldn't have to if you didn't sell all our stuff before we got here.
All right. Well, thank you for watching it. And like I said, the surf was a little rough. Water temperature was like 62 degrees, so it's starting to get cold. It ain't gonna be long before it's gonna be real hard to catch anything off the surf. But so far, so good. Still catching. I caught a whiting. My wife caught 2 blues. So kudos to her. She outfished me, is what she will tell everybody in the world. But anyway, it was a good time out there. I'm glad she came. And please like, comment, subscribe. Let's go fishing. I mean, hey, I'll go with you, you go with me. Come on now. All right, have a good one. And like I always say, God bless, stay safe, and fish on.